Ready to unlock instant USDT transfers right from your Telegram chat. First, open your preferred cryptocurrency exchange app like Binance or Coinbase, where you hold your USDT. Navigate to the Withdrawal section. This is usually found under the Wallet or Funds tab. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw now. You'll need your Telegram wallet address. Open your Telegram app and find your wallet bot if you don't have one. Search for a reputable wallet bot and follow its setup instructions. Copy your unique USDT wallet address from the bot. Back in your exchange app, paste your Telegram wallet address into the recipient address field. Double-check that it's correct. A single mistake could result in lost funds. Choose the correct network. TRC20 is often preferred for its lower fees, but make sure your Telegram wallet supports the chosen network. Using the wrong network can also result in lost funds. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send to your Telegram wallet. Review all the details carefully one last time: the address, the network, and the amount. If everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. The transfer time will vary depending on the network congestion. Check your Telegram wallet bot. You should receive a notification once the USDT arrives. Congratulations! You've successfully sent USDT to your Telegram wallet.